Good morning, student. Hello, how are you? First of all, I want to tell you that I miss you so much. I wish you have a good day, a good health, and a good situation. Our lesson for today is about the punctuation mark, okay? So today we will talk about the apostrophe. So open your activity book, page 20. Open your activity book, page 20, okay? So, today we will talk about the apostrophe. So, what does apostrophe mean? What does apostrophe mean? Apostrophe means in Arabic الفاصلة العليا، okay? الفاصلة العليا، الفاصلة اللي ما بتيجي على السطر، بتيجي من فوق عند الأحرف، okay? So, look. Can you see? Can you see the apostrophe? Look here. Look. Look. Can you see? Look. 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 Can you see? So this is what? This is apostrophe. Apostrophe فاصلة عليا. Okay? فاصلة عليا. So when you have to use the apostrophe, okay? When to use the apostrophe? We use the apostrophe in 3 cases, okay? The first one, the subject pronoun and the verb. Sorry. So, when the subject is a pronoun and we have after the pronoun what? Verb. So you have to use the apostrophe. So when the subject is a pronoun and after this pronoun we have verb. What does pronoun mean? Pronoun الضمائر, right? So for example, I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Those are examples of pronouns, okay? ضمائر, okay? So when we have the subject is a pronoun and after the pronoun we have verb. So you have to use what? You have to use the apostrophe between the subject and the verb. I am. He is, he is. They have, they've. Like اختصرنا, okay? So بس نختصر نستخدم الapostrophe, okay? His, they've. Can you see? With the subject pronoun and the verb. Can you see? Okay, student. The next case is when we have auxiliary and not. Okay, auxiliary and not. Examples of auxiliaries: can, do, does, did, must, shall, should. Okay, those are auxiliaries. Can you remember what we talked about in the class about the auxiliary? We said that we use auxiliaries to know the tense of the sentence لمعرفة زمن الفعل. Okay, auxiliaries auxiliaries don't have meaning. ما إلهم معنى. Okay, we use the auxiliaries to know the tense of the sentence لمعرفة زمن الجملة. Okay, نستخدم الauxiliary لمعرفة زمن الجملة لكن ما إلهم معنى. تمام؟ like, do, does, did, can, could. Okay, have, has. All of those are what? Are auxiliaries. When we have auxiliary and not negative. Okay, so you have to use what? To use apostrophe. Don't. Okay, it is what? It is do plus not. Do auxiliary and not. Okay, so don't. Okay, we have apostrophe. Okay, can't. It is can and not. Can and not. Okay, so اختصرناها صارت can't, okay? Can't, okay? Does not, another example. Does plus not, does not, doesn't, okay? Did plus not, didn't, okay? So auxiliary plus not. We use the second case of the apostrophe when we use auxiliary plus not, okay? The third case is sorry, to show that something belongs or is related to or is part of a person, a place, or thing, okay? To show that something belongs or related to or a part of a person or a place or thing. What does that mean? اللي هي اس الملكية، okay? اس الملكية، okay? So حتى نبين إنه هذا الإشي بتعلق بشخص معين، بتعلق بشيء معين، ملكية شيء معين. My bag or my bag, sorry, my bag, okay? Or Ali's bag, okay? شنطة علي، okay? أو حقيبة علي، okay? For example, أحمد chair, أحمد's chair, كرسي أحمد, okay? So, اس الملكية. The third case is اس الملكية, okay? So, the Earth's temperature, look here. The Earth's temperature, okay? We have اس الملكية and we have apostrophe, okay? حتى نميزها عن باقي الأس بنحط apostrophe, okay? Sorry for that. So, look another example. Salim's brother. Salim's brother, okay? Salim's brother. أخ سليم, okay? هو يتعلق بسليم، ملكية سليم، هو أخوه. For Salim's brother. The country's capital, okay? The country's capital. Can you see? So, we use the apostrophe in 3 cases. The first one with the subject pronoun and the verb. The second one, the auxiliary plus one. And the third one to show that something belongs or related or part of person or place or thing, okay? So, let's move to exercise number 1. Rewrite this paragraph in your notebook. Put the apostrophes where necessary. There are 11 apostrophes. Okay, student? So, let's start. Our sun's about 5,000 million years old. Our suns, okay? Here we have what? Sun and S. Here you have to use apostrophe, okay? Here you have to use the apostrophe here, okay? It heats the Earth's atmosphere. It heats the Earth's atmosphere. Here you have to use the apostrophe as الملكية. The Earth's atmosphere, okay? atmosphere الغلاف الجوي للأرض. الغلاف الجوي ملكية الأرض, okay? So here you have to use apostrophe, the Earth's atmosphere. But global warming isn't the sun's fault. But global warming isn't the sun's fault, okay? Look here. Isn't auxiliary plus not. You have to use what? Apostrophe. Isn't, okay? Isn't. Can you see? Auxiliary plus not. The sun's fault. The sun's fault, okay? son's fault. Okay, here you have to use also apostrophe because we have son's fault. S الملكية هي ليست غلطة الشمس. Okay, S الملكية son's fault. Okay, it is people's fault. Okay, it's, can you see, auxiliary plus not, auxiliary, or sorry, pronoun plus verb. Sorry for that. Pronoun plus what? Pronoun plus verb. It is. Okay, it's okay. It is كانت, it is صارت it's. Okay, you have to use apostrophe here. People's fault. People's fault. Okay, here we have ملكية people. Okay, it is people's fault. خطأ البشر أو خطأ الناس. Okay, الخطأ بتعلق بمين؟ بالناس. Okay, so it is people's fault. Okay, here you have to use apostrophe because they use machines. Okay, and machines emit carbon dioxide. Okay, and machine emit carbon dioxide. You can't see this gas. You can't. Here you have to use apostrophe can't. Okay, auxiliary plus not, auxiliary plus not. You can't see this gas, but it's the main cause. It's the main cause of the trouble. Okay, here you have subject pronoun and the verb. It is صارت it's. Okay, it's the main cause of the trouble. You have to use apostrophe here and here. Okay, student? So and I am afraid things are getting really bad. Look, here we have subject pronoun and verb. I plus am. So it becomes what? I am. Okay, I plus am. Okay, can you see here you have to use the apostrophe. Afraid things are getting really bad. Here you have scientists study the earth's climate. Okay, the earth's climate. Okay, مناخ الأرض. Okay, ملكية مناخ الأرض. المناخ يتعلق بالأرض. So here you have to use the apostrophe. Okay, student? They say our planet's weather is becoming more and more violent. Okay, our planet's weather. ملكية ايش؟ الكوكب. Okay, planet's weather. Okay, okay, here you have to use apostrophe. Okay, student? So here we have examples of the apostrophe. Okay, use apostrophe to show the position. Okay, here you have to use apostrophe. Look, my cousin's bicycle is larger than mine. Okay, my cousins. You have to use apostrophe and s. Okay, the doll hair is blonde. The doll's hair. شعر اللعبة. Okay, شعر اللعبة. Okay, those are examples. Okay, so try to answer the rest of the examples. Try to answer the rest of the examples. Okay, student? Here we have another exercise. Choose the word that shows the proper placement of the apostrophe. Okay, بدنا نختار الكلمة اللي بتظهر المكان الصحيح للapostrophe. Okay, so is not. Here we have what? Is plus not. Auxiliary plus not. It is which one? This one, right? It is not, isn't. Okay? Okay? They have. Okay? They have. They have. They've. Okay? Are not. Are not. Okay? Are not. Aren't. Okay? I am. I am. Okay? She is. She is. She is. Okay? Okay, student? Those are the right answers. Okay, student? Let's move to the next exercise. Here you have to write the word correctly for each sentence. Make the word plural if necessary. The bird beak is shiny yellow and pointy. Okay, the bird's beak. Okay, the bird's beak ملكية للبird. Okay, so here you have to use the apostrophe. Okay, these hamsters' wheels are spinning in their cage. Okay, hamsters' wheels. Okay, hamsters ملكية للhamsters. My baby sister doll. My baby sister's doll. Okay, ملكية أختي الصغيرة. لعبة أختي الصغيرة. Okay, ملكيتها. The horse sandals were waiting for them. The horse sandals. The horse's sandals. Okay, ملكية للهورس. ملكية للحصان. Okay. These coins are grandpa's favorite collectibles. Grandpa's favorite. Okay, here you have to use the apostrophe. Okay, so those are exercises for using the apostrophe. Okay, student? So if you have any question, any comment, just let me know and ask me whatever you want. Okay, this is our lesson for today. If you have any question, any comment, just let me know and ask me whatever you want. Okay, student? Goodbye.